And it's definitely going to be something we can experience this week, possibly, as meteorologist Jeremy Lewan shares the details of a future weather impact alert coming up.
That's right, Jack. We have that weather impact alert in effect for Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning, when temperatures will dip into the single digits and it will feel like below zero for every single one of our cities. And long term, I am seeing the signals of possibly even colder air for next weekend. So this might be the first of many weather impact alerts. Here's the weather impact alert that we do have in effect, though. It's for Tuesday and Wednesday morning between midnight and 9 a.m. Frigid cold expected. You got to bundle up. You could get frostbite in just 20 minutes with temperatures we're expecting for both of those 2 mornings. Here are your updated snowfall amounts. I called the National Weather Service to get the latest information for you. Shohola had the highest number I could find, 4.5 inches in Pike County. Saylorsburg and Carbon County, 3.8. Forest City, 2.7. Edwardsville, 2 inches. And our backyard, just under 2 inches. And after the snow fell, we got some gorgeous photos of sunsets. I got to show you them. I just was astounded. This one is a sunset after the storm. That's what it was titled, from Karen and Catawissa in Columbia County. Beautiful shot. This one is from Pittston. This one's called A Snowy Sunset from Her Back Porch, from Valerie Johnson. Thank you for sending that one in, from Luzerne County. This one is called January Sunset, and it's my favorite of the 3. Brian, thank you for sending this one in, from Montrose in Susquehanna County. And finally, this pink hue in Dalton, sent in from LVK in Lackawanna County. Thank you a lot for sending in these beautiful photos of the sunset. Just a beautiful place we live in. And I'm so glad you captured it and we could share it with our viewers. Now, that winter weather advisory is no longer in effect here for Wayne and Pike counties. It has been allowed to expire, and that's because the snow has pretty much stopped falling. There are some flurries out there, so if you're driving it up in Susquehanna County on this stretch of 81 headed up into New York State, you might encounter some reduced visibility, but most of us wrapped up with the snowfall for tonight. But we're tracking yet another system that's going to bring us a chance for snow showers, especially further north and west, and there could be a few squalls mixed in there. This is the low that brought us the snow today. It skirted our region, brought us that higher amount of snowfall in parts of eastern Pennsylvania. Now it's affecting New England, from Massachusetts up to Maine. As a matter of fact, this system brought snow to the panhandle of Florida today. Some parts of Georgia near Atlanta saw snowfall today. So the whole eastern seaboard affected by this, and we are included in it too. There's a live view of Pike County. You can see there are some slick roads there, so just watch where you're going. Slow down, and tomorrow morning intend on delays. Also remember that temperatures are going to be in the teens tonight, so there could be some black ice out there. Watch out. It could be slippery. 21 is the current temperature with southwest winds at 8, feeling like 11. Right now we're in the single digits in Elysburg, in the teens for Coganhouse Township and Morris. We're at 19 in Pleasant Mount 2. Bear Creek Township sitting at 14. And here in our backyard, I think we'll bottom out around 16 or 17 degrees. Tomorrow rebounding into the upper 20s, but feeling so much colder with those added winds gusting up to 20, even 30 miles per hour. Now tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, that chance for some snow showers as that system from the Great Lakes gives us a glancing blow. And you can see those snow showers, some of them, those dark blues, indicating a really intense burst of snow. That could be a snow squall, possibly for parts of Potter and Tioga County out through Clinton and Lycoming counties, likely in Center County too. And some of those snow showers could break away into northeastern Pennsylvania. So watch out for reduced visibility tomorrow. And if you get an emergency alert on your phone that says that there's a snow squall, take the next exit if you're traveling and wait it out. Oftentimes they only last about 15 minutes and they can cause blinding visibility in the matter of seconds. So you don't want to get caught in one of those. Headed into Tuesday, temperatures are going to be downright frigid. Here are your snowfall amounts from the snow showers expected tomorrow. Likely a few tenths of an inch. And they will happen quickly if those snow squalls do materialize. Could be Potter and Tioga counties seeing an additional inch from those snow squalls. Now it'll be breezy tomorrow, 20 to 30, if not 40 miles per hour. There is a cold weather advisory in effect from the National Weather Service for Potter and Clinton counties. This might get extended for both Carbon and Monroe counties, where it feels like temperatures could exceed -15. That's why that cold weather advisory is in effect. -20 feels like temperatures possible in both Clinton and Potter counties. Now here are your feels likes Monday at 11 p.m. going down to near zero. Then Tuesday morning, this is when it'll be coldest. Feels like -13 in Forest City, feeling like -14 in Mount Pocono, Scranton feeling like -5. All day Tuesday, you're going to be feeling like the single digits and below zero, and it's the same case for Wednesday morning, feeling like -10 up in Forest City. By Wednesday at 10 a.m., feeling like 4 degrees. So you got to take that kind of cold seriously, bundle up as much as you can. That's why we have the weather impact alert in effect for Tuesday and Wednesday morning. We're a little bit warmer for Thursday. Could see some scattered snow showers, and then another bout of cold air rushes in for next weekend, Jack. That could be even colder than the one we're going to see on Tuesday, and that cold lasts all the way through the end of January. So have those coats, have all the layers ready to go for the whole month.
Jeremy, definitely a lot to keep the eye on this week weather-wise. Thank you very much.
Yep.